Welcome to the Joliet Fire Department Fast Kids program, also known as the Fire Awareness Safety Team. This week we're going to go over the different types of burns. It is a shorter lesson, but equally as important. There are three different types of burns. First degree, which is pain, reddening, much like a sunburn. Second degree, which is redness with blisters and intense pain. And third degree, which is the worst even though there is little to no pain. In this photo, you'll get an idea of what those different types of burns look like. Remember, it is first degree, second degree, and third degree. Here are some burn facts. Water can actually burn you if it is brought to boiling or converted to steam. Your clothes, if caught on fire, could melt and burn you as well. And of course, a burn can change the rest of your life. You could be left with lifelong pain, scars, surgeries, and of course, disabilities. When treating burns, we must remember one important thing. We have to stop the burning process, and we do this by using cool running water and not ice. Then we want to cover the wound with a dry, sterile dressing to keep it clean, and of course, if bad enough, we want to seek medical care. Now, some heating sources that you might find in your house that can burn you could be a furnace, water heater, space heater, fireplace, or stove. We want to make sure that you stay safe, and below are some tips to do so. I'm going to touch only on a few of them, and they are: do not play or stand near the heaters, keep things that can burn at least 3 feet away from those heat sources, do not wear loose fitting clothes while around heat sources, cover fireplace openings with a door or screen, and never overload electrical outlets. Below are a couple more tips. First off, with cooking and using pots on stove, make sure that the handle is turned away from the front. We do not want you to knock it over and spill the hot water on yourself. Also, remember with the faucet that hot water can come out at 120 degrees. Now, let's see what you've learned from this lesson. Fill in the blank. Objects that can burn should be kept at least how many feet away from the heaters? Did you guess 3? Because that would be correct. Which degree burn has redness and is often compared to a sunburn? Did you guess first degree? Great job. And finally, true or false? You should wrap a burn with a sterile and wet dressing. This is false. You should only use a sterile and dry dressing. This will help decrease the chance of getting an infection with that wound. As always, keep up the great work, stay safe,